Hey everyone, and welcome to Mixyshoping, your new favorite destination for, well, everything. Are you tired of jumping from site to site just to get what you need? We totally get it. That's why we created a one-stop shop where you can find all your must-haves in one place. Looking to refresh your wardrobe? We've got the latest fashion trends waiting for you. Want to give your home a little makeover? Our home goods section is packed with stylish and cozy finds. Need to update your beauty routine or grab the coolest new gadget? We've got you covered there too. At Mixyshoping, we believe shopping should be fun, easy, and exciting. We've curated the best products just for you, so go ahead, start exploring, and discover something amazing today. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe for updates on new arrivals and special deals.